This video is going to be on downloading UDOT's bid items into their EBS bidding system and then into HCSS HevyBid. When you're on the UDOT advertised projects page, you need to make sure you are logged in. I've already logged in as Sunrock Corporation. And we'll scroll down and find the project that we're going to import into EBS and then into HevyBid. So the job that we're doing today is the SR18 Vale Shoulder Gap project. Next, what you need to do is click on the EBS bid items, and then down below it'll bring up a link. Right click there, or click on it, and then save as. On your C drive, I've got set up an EBS folder already, and I'm going to save it right here in the EBS folder. Now that should be saved there. That comes up with a link in the file. It's saved as a text file. Now you want to go into the UDOT Electronic Bid Systems, or EBS application. Here you'll go up to the project. Since you're doing a new project, you'll hit Load New or Moved Project. Now you need to find where you've saved that file that you downloaded, and here it is. We'll select that, hit open. This should load the project into EBS. It's been successfully loaded. Now all the bid items are there. Now we need to export the bid items into a format that HevyBid can read. So we'll go up to Project, and we'll export project to spreadsheet. Hit export. We will save it here in the same folder. I'll call this the SR18 export to HB. Save this. It's been saved as a spreadsheet. And now we'll go into HevyBid. Here in HevyBid, I've already set up a job and got it ready to be imported. In HevyBid, we'll have to go up to the Setup Bid Items. Down in the bottom right corner, there's a button that says Import Bid Items. We'll click on that. You can select DOT, XL, Transport Link. We're going to leave it selected on the DOT import. Hit OK. Next, you'll have to select the DOT you're using. We're using UDOT. This doesn't automatically come up, so you have to select UDOT from the list. And then you have to browse, find your file you're going to export or import, which that's the one we named. And then here you can click on the settings page. Settings, you can start at 10. You can change your incrementations for numbering. I like mine at 10 on 10s. And if you set it up this way, it should export out as well, same way. And then you can set up the preset activities here in that box as well. So we'll hit the import. This should import the bid items. As you can see, the bid items have been imported, and now we'll hit build. Yes, we'll do a backup. Build activities, so these client numbers, if they're the same as what's in your code book, it should build the imported bid items. Now that the bid items have been imported, we can get to work on our bid, clean up a few things in the units, and it appears the client numbers aren't working in our system, so we'll have to fix that later, but it saves some time. I don't have to type them in. All I did was a little bit of computer work, exporting and importing, and I'm set to go. Later I'll make another video on how to export it back to HevyBid, or actually to EBS, so that we don't have to type in all the unit prices into EBS as well. So stay tuned.